welcome back to this video, to this channel. It's gonna be my third day in the field, HVAC field, and it's a little bit colder today. It's 38 degrees. So some of my teachers told me to layer up, but it's a bit chilly outside. So yeah, I mean, hope you guys are having a good day. I'm very green in the field. I don't know much. I'm going to school. Been going to school for about 3 months now, and you know, it's school and real life. You know, it's a little bit different. You know, but it's great going to school. Like, you know, like the fundamentals and the basics, and then once you get to the field, like, okay, like I kind of know. But yeah, it's a way different experience. Today we're gonna be working in a house that has a crawling space. So I saw a couple of YouTube videos about crawling spaces, and 90% of the people in the field don't like crawling spaces. So that's gonna be very fun for my third day experience in the field. So let's go check it out. Let's get some Dunkin' Donuts first. Got my coffee. I also went to the gym, so I've been up since 5 in the morning. So good breakfast. For the people, you know, that have experience in the field, I will really appreciate it if you guys are, you know, helpful in the comments. Give me some advice. You know, I wish that I started doing this right after high school. It's been 15-16 years since I graduated, and I'm liking it. I'm liking this career. You know, it's you know, dirty hands clean money, you know, type of thing. And I think it's amazing. You know, there's pros and cons, you know, for everything. Even though if you're a lawyer, a doctor, you know, there's always pros and cons. So no job is easy, no career is easy. And yeah, let's have some positive, you know, comments, and help me out, guys. You know, like I said, I'm still green, and I would really appreciate all the people that have experience in the field to be helpful, to be respectful. You know, like I'm brand new. You know, I don't know shit. You know, excuse me for my language, but it's true. And yeah, man, give me some tips. You know, get some advice. Really appreciate that.
¿Arriba? Ajá. ¿Y arriba? Vamos arriba. Vamos arriba. Y
Hey, what's up, guys? So instead of going to the crawling space project that we were gonna do, my boss needed to finish this new construction. The homeowners are extending their house, and he's been here for like 2 weeks, and he needed to finish up some things because tomorrow the inspectors are coming and it needs to be finished, you know. So tomorrow morning we're gonna come back and finish connecting the furnace and the line set. Pretty much that's it. And then the inspectors is gonna come, and then after that I think we're gonna go to the other project. That project we're gonna do, the homeowner wants to get rid of all the duct work and install a new duct system in there. And that one I think we're gonna start next tomorrow after this one, or Wednesday. The thing is that I only help them out Mondays and Tuesdays. Today's Monday, so Wednesday I'm not sure. I might be able to come for a little bit, and then next week's gonna be really cold, so we're gonna have to make sure we have to finish that for this week. So yeah, guys, I mean, like I said, you know, I'm still brand new in the field, and but if you guys have any tips, any advice,